we don't have much kitchen table space to work on, so when you've cleaned your mocha coffee maker, we need a place to put it and extra stuff. I like to have a lot of utilities in use while I'm cooking, so I need a bit of space, so I'm gonna make a little bamboo shelf here that has a hanger from the top here, so I don't have to screw anything or ruin our landlord's things. So it's just gonna hang down, and I'm gonna have a couple of shelves here, so it supports itself and it does no harm to the building. Just gonna take some measurements. I am just finishing up with the little shelf I made for our kitchen to get some extra storage space. Same as always with my bamboo projects, it's not beautiful, but it's gonna be efficient. I'm excited to see how Stine is gonna take it, because it's pretty ugly, but I just need to apply the last bottom here on the bottom shelf, and then I'm done. Well, that's what I gotta do. I mean, look at it. In my in my defense, bamboo is quite hard to work with. My father is an old carpenter. He would be tearing his hair off it because it's so ugly. But it is what it is, right? And I did it for the purpose of it, not the aesthetics, like bonsai. It's such a big all my bamboo projects are such contrasts to my DIY, because it's not always very good. But I mean, bamboo is very challenging, and when I get to work with proper wood, I'll of course be more cautious and do it properly and do my best instead of this rustic shit. Fucking amazing. And there we go. Ugliest bamboo shelf ever built. I mean, maybe I should put more on here, I don't know. It's okay. I'll go test it. There you go. I don't know if I'm proud here or it's just a good joke or something. We'll see what the girlfriend says to this magnificent shelf, bamboo shelf, very rustic. And this is what we want to use it for, our little mocha, because it's always here on the window shelf, and we can't really open the window when this is drying after we've used it. So this is actually the reason I built this shelf. Oh. Also stable.